Most people overcook chicken breast. It gets dry, tough, and suddenly you hate healthy eating. This is how I do it. No overcooking ever. Bring the water to a boil. Add salt. 1 gram per 100 milliliters of water. This seasons the chicken from the inside. Now, only add as much chicken as half the volume of water. Don't overcrowd the pot. The temperature needs to stay consistent. Wait for the water to come back to a boil. The moment it boils, turn off the heat immediately. Cover with a lid. Wait 20 minutes. Don't open the lid. The residual heat finishes the job. After 20 minutes, take it out, let it cool. No dry chicken, no rubbery texture. Just tender, juicy chicken breast. Every single time. This is the base for most of my salad. I will link the recipes in the description. If this helped, subscribe. More Korean, Mediterranean basic coming every week. I'm Baeksam, and this is the most delicious way to care of yourself.